Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock overview videos. Today we'll talk about how to go into reports exploratory view to get some extra insights into your ad network or campaigns within that ad network and their performance. So let's go into your RedTrack account, scroll down to campaigns. We see the numbers, we see the best one is performance Facebook ads. I want to see which Facebook ads are actually delivering this purchase because you definitely running more than one. So we go to reports by clicking this icon or selecting the campaign and clicking this icon. And in reports, make sure that you set up either the template that you have created before or the view that you want to apply to your campaigns. My ideal approach to view is the same that we showed in the acquisition dashboard. So it's basically going up to RT campaign, RT ad group, RT ad, and then if you run real Facebook campaigns on the dummy date, you may have placements, and of course you can play around all the other parameters we have for you to analyze the data. If you add campaign costs manually, don't forget to remove this checkbox, and then make sure that the time zone is the time zone you want to see. By default, we show account time zone, and then the data period is right, and then click apply refresh. So now you have your data with the cost of the ads. You can drill down into details to see which ad performed and gave you most purchases. This is a sandbox environment, so we have just one ad here, but in your live scenario, there's way more data in here. And if you don't want to repeat that setup from scratch every time, you can just go into template management, do Facebook view, campaign, ad set, campaign, sorry, ad set, add, and save report as a template. So next time you'll go into reports, you'll have this available as a template for you and can open all the data in the way you need quickly. If you want to change the data points that are shown here, like you don't want to see cost per click or view content, as usual, go to columns, remove the columns you don't need, add the columns purchase that you may want to see, drag these columns around, save and apply. Enjoy using the data. Thank you. This was an overview of using campaign reports in RedTrack Unlock.